Josh trying to close the door for the first time because Spain has retarded doors. Pretty doors, but very not. We've been doing this for 5 minutes. We figured how to open the door. Amens in Spain. Amens in Spain. And we cannot open the door. I mean, close the door now. Look how weird that is.
Yeah, come. I'm trying to... Go.
Go in. What? Lock ourselves? Well, we have the key.
No, we have the key. We're not going to lock ourselves out. Well, it's locked anyway. I mean, you can't turn it off.
There's no knob. Looks like Ecuador. Yes, it does. It looks like Ecuador. Even this.
Even that like Ecuador?
Yeah. This. No, las Mendozas, whatever it's called. The Spanish really took over Ecuador style. Well, not took over.